Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations, and I trust God you all are doing great. Today I'm here with another very interesting sewing project. Today we are transforming a pencil skirt into a fish skirt, or whatever name you want to give to this skirt. This project is very quick and easy. All you just have to follow the step-by-step direction and you can get your favorite look of that skirt. But before heading to our today project, I am starting a new segment to my YouTube channel. I will be giving a shout out to the small YouTube channels, especially who've been so faithful to my channel, and also I will see if they also follow me on other social medias accounts, and also if their channel really have a potential to grow, I will help them out. So today I have a pick channel which name is Cook and Bake. That channel is based on Japan, and that sister cook and bake so well. The one thing I like about that channel, her recipes are very easy and quick to follow, and also the quantity very easy to follow. You don't need to bake a lot, especially when you have 1 or 2 people family. I love about that, and I will put all her details. You can check out her channel, and I pray and hope her channel grow. So keep following my YouTube channel, and I will pick the randomly people who've been so faithful with my channel. I will give them shout out on. So let's go ahead and start our project. So I have here this gorgeous embroidered net fabric pencil skirt, which I love it. But I'm just not satisfied with the length of this skirt. As you can see, it's a gorgeous top also I made with that. So the simple technique which I gonna do, since I don't have enough fabric, so I will use a net fabric on a bottom to increase my length. But you can use 2 different techniques. Either you can use a gathering cut fabric, make a gathering skirt and just attach with the lining, or you can cut a circle skirt, you can cut a full circle skirt, you can cut a half circle skirt and then attach with the lining. So I do have a couple net fabrics which in black, so I will try to use on the bottom. My plan is I am making a full circle skirt. I have 2 panels which I'm gonna attach together to create a full circle, and then I will show you how we're gonna attach this under of this pencil skirt to make something like a fish skirt. So stay tuned. So here the second fabric which I have for the circle skirt I'm gonna use on the bottom of my skirt. So I have 2 panels on a long way. I have folded them and a half, so that's a 1 panel, that's a second panel which I folded. So total I have right now 4 layers. But if you have a big square fabric, you can just fold in 4 ways, and then we can start cutting our circle. I already teach in my couple videos how to cut a circle, so I'm not showing demo in this video. So simply we first will be stitching these panel together. I'm not right now. After cutting, then I will be stitching. So we will have with each panel half skirt, okay? Half skirt and half skirt. When we will sew together, then we will have a full circle. I hope that will make some sense. If you do regular sewing, you definitely already have some idea, okay? So now we're just gonna take our measurements from here, the width wise how much we have, and the total I have here 26, okay? So that's mean we are cutting our circle 26 inches. And as you can see, we have a mark 26 inches from all around our circle. So if you use 1 panel, that will be half circle. If you're gonna use both panel and you're gonna sew from center, then you can have a full circle. So I'm using a full circle. Now it's time to just cut your fabric. And here you go. And I will see how much length I have needed for bottom piece of my skirt. If this fabric is enough, I'm not using any gathering, but if I need a little more fabric, I can make my own gatherings out of these fabric patches I have. But right now, the simple part which I'm gonna do, so take your one panel, and if I show you, so here is our half circle, if you notice, okay? So simply I just gonna do right side to right side together, okay? And then all the wrong sides, both wrong sides are upper, and we are just going to sew these two gatherings, okay? All right, just go ahead and sew it. And if you already using a square fabric and you already have a stitch from a center, then the other part is we're just gonna fold this fabric exactly same way we have cut it and find the center, okay? So if you are using a half circle, you need half of your waistband length, but if you are using a square full circle, then you need 1/4 of your waistband measurements, okay? But since we are using at a bottom, so even that's fine if you gonna add a little bit of gathering into this skirt to make more flow. It's up to you how you're gonna handle your fabric, okay? So I just gonna sew from a center, and then I will be cutting this according to my waistband, and then I will be back to show you the next process. So here is my pencil fitting skirt, okay? So that's our lining, and this one is our front fabric. I have just flipped inside out, and as you can see, we have two divided pieces in a lining attached, and same way we have on a backing as well, okay? So if you are using a half skirt, take this full measurement, which is total like a 17.5. But if you are doing a full circle, you have to fold your fabric 4-way and take half of this measurements, which is 9.5 inches, okay? So simply we're just gonna fold this skirt, and that's how much measurement we are needed for the waistband on the bottom area, not the top one, okay? So here is my fabric, which I already have folded. So if I show you, if we count it, there's a 1 layer, 2nd layer, 3rd layer, and 4th layer, okay? And we are just going to move our fabric so you can have a better idea here. So here is our fabric with 4 folds, okay? And now we are just going to take our skirt and fold one more time and just see where it's fitted, okay? So something like here, okay? So you can see the from corner to corner here. That's our measurement, Okay, that's a simple way you can easily mark it, without drawing any pattern. And the other way, you can just take a measurements, you know and take the exactly number and use over here. So that's how simple. And I have just marked my fabric. Now it's time to cut it. From corner to here, I am taking measurement 7 inches. So exactly same way that we cut the circle, I'm going to cut the top waistband as well. This is also technique is the best for if you want to prepare a full circle skirt, as I have taught it in my videos as well. I will put link in the description box. And also, if you want to add any circle cut fabric even under dresses as well to increase the length, this technique is best. Okay, so let's start cutting. And now simply we're just going to attach the bottom piece to the lining. Okay, wrong side outside and right side inside, and we are just going to stitch. That's how simple it is. Okay, just going to pin up, and then I will show you when we go to sewing machine. Thank you so much for watching our today's sewing episode, and I'm sure you have loved that project as I do. I'm already loving that look it's turned out, and I have planned to wear this skirt with so many different tops. I hope you get inspired and start sewing. If you really like our today's sewing episode, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends so I can hit continually more subscriber and keep continually sharing all those wonderful ideas with you guys. If you are new to my channel and just stopping by and browsing my channel, you're very warmly welcome. I teach sewing, cooking, and DIY projects. You're gonna learn here a lot and gonna have a lots of fun. I love you all. Be safe wherever you are and have a lovely fabulous day. Bye bye.